Toronto's high today plus 10. And taking a peek at the Great Lakes ice cover, I mean, these numbers right here, 1.8% cover right now. Last year at this time, 23.3%, and it's definitely going to cool down in the next few months, but we have a lot of catching up to do to get to the full ice cover that we were last year. Now this evening, temperature-wise, all the cold air in the north is indicated in purples and blues. It will start to sink south as we head into the next couple of days. It's a gradual cool down each and every day, but for tomorrow afternoon, Toronto is going to be 3 degrees, not the 10 we were today. By Monday, it's going to be closer to seasonal, and then on Tuesday, you're going to be pulling out those parkas again. Now for tonight, it's rain, so just a bit of a drizzle, I would say, for Toronto up towards Barrie, under 10 millimeters. Towards the north, they've been seeing snow today. In Chapleau, at least 14 centimeters, still an additional 3 centimeters into Sunday morning. And jumping ahead to Sunday, so you can see here, not much going on Sunday night. The cold air starts to move in from the Arctic, actually, and then on Monday, while we're seasonal, lake effect snow starts to set up with some northwest winds. So places like Barrie on Tuesday could be seeing 1 to 3 centimeters of snow. On Wednesday, cottage country picking up maybe 5 to 10 centimeters of snow. And for Wednesday, you can see Niagara Falls, your daytime high, -5. We are seeing very mild air still in place for tonight. And Saturday's daytime highs shaping up like this. Pearson 10 degrees, Mount Forest 6.5, Collingwood 9.5. So a very green holiday season for now. Now Niagara Falls tonight, we are going to see those showers moving in late this evening. It will end as we get up tomorrow morning, but 2 degrees in the overnight. Winds sustained at 25 kilometers an hour with a westerly flow. And for Hamilton, +1 for you with winds sustained at 25 kilometers an hour. For Toronto, also the showers, and it's just going to be some drizzle. This is not a heavy rain. It's not going to wake you up if you're asleep and it happens. It is really some light rain, even extending towards Oshawa as well. So generally speaking, about 5 to 10 millimeters of rain all across southern Ontario, but you might not see it at all. It's very patchy as it comes through. Towards the north, they've been seeing snow, places like Chapleau, 14 centimeters on the ground today, and they're getting an additional 5. So if you want to make some snowmen, Timmins, Kapuskasing, that's the place to be. Sunday afternoon, Collingwood will be 2 degrees, but notice as we head towards Thunder Bay, much cooler, and that cold air is just going to continue to sink south across Ontario as we head into the next few days. So enjoy the mild air tonight while it is around, because it is going to certainly be different heading into next week. There's that cold front bringing us the showers. We're getting to more of a westerly flow tomorrow, and then a northwest flow sets up for Monday. So that means some lake enhancement in the traditional snowbelt regions. Places like Parry Sound on Wednesday could be seeing 5 to 10 centimeters of snow. For you in Barrie, on Tuesday, you could see about 2 to 5 centimeters. Now, Burlington, notice what happens as we head into New Year's Eve. Cooling down to only a high of -4 Wednesday, feeling closer to -13 with the wind chill. And jumping ahead to Thursday, which is the first day of the new year, -4, feeling closer to -12 in Brampton. Cambridge, a similar trend for you, 2 degrees on Sunday, and then diving right down as we head into 2015. And for Oshawa, the same trend happening for you. Well, hopefully you were safe out there on the water. Glad you could join us this evening. I'm meteorologist Nicole Karkic. Cold air is just blanketing the entire country over the next couple of days. Anything in purple is temperatures between -15 to -30 without the wind chill. So Sunday, it spreads all across into northern Ontario, Labrador City, even Alberta getting a taste of that cold air. NBC with Arctic outflow advisories in place for the north and central coast Sunday into Monday. And it just spreads down into the deep south as well this week as very strong high pressure is in place, and it's expected to strengthen and stay that way for the next few days. Now, with the wind chills starting to really pick up this week, we put this together for you so you can get a sense of how dangerous it is. Now, if we're in wind chills between -28 to -39, that is moderate. But keep in mind that the risk for frostbite is there if you're outside with exposed skin over 30 minutes. And as we get to -40 to -47, that's a high risk. So if you're just out there for 5 to 10 minutes on exposed skin, you can get frostbite. Now, these are the Arctic outflow warnings in place for the north and central coast. We're going to see some strong northeast winds setting up Sunday night into Monday, and extreme cold warnings already in place with that Arctic high sinking south. Prince Albert, Wood Buffalo National Park feeling closer to -40 overnight tonight. Now, overnight across the country, down towards Toronto, just 2 degrees, feeling closer to -3, not too bad there. But Calgary, -17 with the wind chill for you. Vancouver, +1, and Edmonton, -23. And jumping over to St. John's, feeling closer to -9. Well, stay with us. Speaking of the cold, we're going to count down the top 5 coldest places on Earth. Well, to find the coldest place on this map, we have to go all the way to Yellowknife. This was yesterday's high, -33. Glad you could join us this evening. I'm meteorologist Nicole Karkic. Saturday afternoon, not too bad in Calgary. You were -1. Winnipeg, though, -13. And look at the east. Toronto, 10 degrees, very mild, not feeling like the holiday season. But if you want the snow, head north, just north of North Bay. And there has been more snow today in the north. Timmins, Chapleau picking up about 10 to 15 centimeters. The snow is tapering off in the north, but with this cold front, that blue line swinging through southern Ontario, there is going to be some showers in the greater Toronto region tonight, but just some drizzle, which lets up for your Sunday morning. However, heading into Monday, northwest winds setting up, so the traditional snowbelt regions will see some lake effect snow this week. But for tonight, under 10 millimeters in southern Ontario, there's that additional snow in the north. And temperature-wise overnight, Toronto's 2 degrees, London's +1, Hamilton 1, and notice those showers. And for Sunday morning, clearing out. It's going to be a little bit sunny into your afternoon with a daytime high in Toronto at 3 degrees. So today our high was 10. Down to 3, so getting closer to where we should be for this time of year. Over towards Kingston, 2 degrees, Pembroke, -1. So overall, the picture is that Sunday is fair, but Monday we're back to seasonal, which is temperatures just below the freezing mark across most of the greater Toronto region. For Tuesday, you can see some lake enhancement setting up. Places like Barrie could see 1 to 3 centimeters of snow, and still some lake enhancement on Wednesday, with Parry Sound maybe seeing 5 to 10 centimeters. And Wednesday, of course, is New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve in Toronto, -5 the high. But with more details on that New Year's Eve forecast, Jacqueline Woodall will have it coming up.